What is going on, believers? Guys, we're here today to talk about the Bitcoin price. There was a catastrophic dump overnight. We're looking at Bitcoin under $24,000 as we speak right now. There's a disaster everywhere. So why am I smiling? Because it's a buying opportunity. Guys, this is not financial advice, but I'm always right.
Trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit.
All right, guys, let's get serious for a second here. We are sitting at Bitcoin 23,884, and there is more dip to go. You can see the American markets, they're going to open in about 10 minutes from this broadcast right now, and you can see that they have already decided that we are heading at least a little bit down. So I don't know where this takes us. I don't know where our bottom is. You can see over here, same thing's going on with Ethereum, but we also might get a little bit of a run today. However, let's go look at a couple of pieces of information, and then we'll make some decisions about what's best for us. I can tell you at the end of this, I am still waiting on the sidelines, dry powder in hand, waiting for that move so that we can get to the bottom and we can buy in at the bottom. And you know why? Bitcoin Weekly MA200 now located at the $22,000 level. However, nobody canceled squeezes. History shows that spikes for 15 to 25% below it are completely okay. Therefore, we may determine the bottom price for Bitcoin as 16 to 17,000. That means that just in case we may not have gotten there. Now, if we've gotten there and we're starting to reach our bottom, then the bottom was predicted at around 22,000. A lot of people are saying 21,000, and that's okay. As long as you're on the sidelines right now and you are stable and you've got it in hand and you are ready to make your play and make your move. The other thing is 42% of hedge funds expect Bitcoin to be 75,000 to 100,000 by the end of this year. Now, guys, that is a massive number. That's a huge increase for the Bitcoin price. Now, my analysis put this market at possibly 3.5 trillion when we get on this bull run, maybe 4 trillion. I just don't see it going any higher. That being the case, that's about a 33% increase if it goes to 4 trillion. If it goes to 3.5 trillion, then we're looking at about a 16% increase. So either one of those puts Bitcoin either at an 85,000 price, 83,000 price point to 85,000 to 100 to 104,000 price point. So either way, I think we're looking at a pretty significant sort of move. It's a question of when do we get to that spot? When do we start to see that? And I can tell you this, based on pre-market, we are not going to see anything happening today. Now, if legacy dictates, then the Dow future going down 545 in the pre-market, which you can see right over here. This is going to indicate a mass sell-off to open up the morning. When the mass sell-off happens to open up the morning, that will also affect Bitcoin, which has right now been tied in with these markets. Now, it can be said that the number was over 695 through most of last night. And as we do a quick update here, we'll see it's still sitting around 545. And Duke, there's a lot of things for you to like. There's a lot of things for you to dislike right now. The buying opportunities are coming. So let's have a little patience and let's move on. Guys, this is the opportunity that some of you have been waiting for since you entered this market. You are now in a situation in which you're going to be able to accumulate Bitcoin at a price heretofore undreamed of. Remember, we fought like tooth and nail at 29, 30,000 to keep that price point. And that price point has now failed. And that's caused us this downfall to where we're going. But guess what? The future is bright. The future is very bright. Don't forget, Don Verrilli is now working to make sure that Grayscale gets their spot ETF from the GBTC. Now, guys, that is huge. When that or something like that starts to happen, that's when you start to see life-changing things happen. This is the dawn of a bull run. We have to feel the pain. Remember, the last part to a bull run is a full level of capitulation. We are witnessing right now a full level of capitulation in this market. The question right now is, how low do we go? And at what point do we hit that bottom? And when that bottom gets recognized by institutional money and they get nestled in, what happens then? You guys know the answer to that. We take off like a rocket ship. So guys, remember that and be careful in your trading. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleaves. I'm always right. And it's very important right now that you have a little patience. Let this market do what it does, and we're all going to prosper. Have a good day, guys, and happy trading.
I'm looking for the good life, good life. Sitting on top of the world, I wanna be shining.